Hi everyone, I'm Anita Malvia, an artist based in Gothenburg, Sweden. I create artwork, organize exhibitions, and conduct art and craft workshops with libraries, community centers, and cultural groups across Västra Götaland. And today is super special because we are starting an amazing 8-courtyard event collaboration with Stena across Gothenburg. Right now, I'm heading towards Frölunda, where today's creative theme is Best Out of Waste, on my way to the first courtyard event of our Stena collaboration here in Gothenburg. And today is not just about art. It's about bringing people together, creating memories, and showing that creativity can exist everywhere, even in simple waste materials. And honestly, event days always give me a mix of excitement, nervousness, and happiness. Moments like this make me feel very grateful. As an artist, seeing people connect through creativity is one of the most beautiful feelings. One thing I really love about Gothenburg is these peaceful little moments during travel. You see beautiful neighborhoods, greenery, people enjoying their day, and somehow it always gives me creative inspiration. Art has this magical way of breaking barriers. You don't need to speak the same language to create something together. When I first started my creative journey, I always dreamed of creating spaces where people could feel welcome, relaxed, and inspired. Let's see how today goes. Also tell me in the comments, what's the most creative thing you've ever made from waste materials? I would love to know. Okay, we've arrived. So this is just the beginning. We still have 7 more courtyard events happening across Gothenburg until the 11th of June. If you live in Gothenburg, then comment below and let me know your area. Maybe we are coming to your neighborhood next. And if you want to know the next location, keep watching till the end because I'll add the next stop somewhere in the video. Today, standing here in this courtyard in Frölunda, seeing families, children, neighbors, and communities creating together, it feels really special.